It's your girl Kamsylvana back with another mukbang. I have my girlfriend with me and we got Applebee'S. I see you copied me.
You don't drink Long Island.
Huh?
You don't drink Long Island.
Sometimes I do.
You don't.
Yes, I do. Okay, y'all. So I got a Long Island. She got one as well. No. Sometimes you just want to do a little copy real quick. And, okay, I got a house salad with honey mustard and ranch. And then this is the Impossible Burger. It's actually a plant-based burger. And from what I heard, it tastes just like a real burger. I'm about to try to center it, though, because it's a little lopsided.
They want to see mine.
Yeah. Oh, is that your burger that smell like that or mine? What did you get?
Mushroom.
I'm just like, come on. Dun, 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 dun. Y'all see he on it early. Okay, so I feel like my first bite should be this burger. Let me see if this one's better. This one smells like meat though. It might be my burger that smells so good. I think you have a good burger, but this actually smells like beef, y'all. It has onion, pickle, lettuce, tomato, and cheese on it. Okay. You have to try it. It tastes like a real burger.
What, vegetarian?
Yes. It doesn't even taste like... I've had like veggie burgers before. It doesn't even really taste like a veggie burger. It's so good. Got a little piece of carrot sticking out.
Alright, you want this much?
That's good. I touched little onions. Damn, I'm feeling a little bit backish. Well, all right, I'm gonna eat some of this salad. I started to get, I think they said it was French honey dressing, but I feel like that would make it too sweet.
Never heard of it.
Have you had French? French's or whatever it is. I wonder if you like it. This honey mustard. I got both. Oh my god. Sound like a little Chewbacca. What is going on? I see. Oh. I love ranch and honey mustard. Dang, did they, oh, okay, makes sense. Didn't look like it was cheese on there at first.
It's not.
A little bit. This burger even better is if it had jalapenos. Jalapeno. And maybe if it has some mustard on it or mayo. I don't think it has mayo. Oh, pickle. We need to go fishing before the summer is over. I started to get some onion rings. No, what been going? What you was watching? You had something? Did you have something? You want to play the game after this? I want to make some stuffed mushrooms.
Oh, what?
Like, different type of cheeses.
Nasty.
Really? Yeah, I'm gonna do that before. It was good. We have like cream cheese. I don't remember what other kind of cheese is. It was good though. Yeah, this burger literally tastes like a real burger. Smell like it just came off the grill. You can see I'm almost done. Like, it's really good. I think it would be even better. My stuff is just falling off, but I think it would be even better if they had like a signature sauce to go with it. Y'all make it so good. Okay. I'll take a piece of lettuce stuck on the front of my tooth. This salad though is really good, even though it don't have meat, because the honey mustard and the ranch mix is good as hell. Who would have thought? I'm almost done now. I have to start planning my 30th birthday. It's gonna be crazy. Yes, the hell it is. I don't know if I'm in between like doing 3 different things, I would say.
I know.
Close down there. Wow, I'm getting kind of full. I thought it was supposed to rain. Ain't you the anchor woman?
Oh, yeah.
Is it true that vegetables is bad for cats and fruit?
Say that.
Camera. I think some stuff they can have. Don't you?
No? No, I'm saying yeah.
I'm just playing. This is so good.
What is it?
That's yours?
Is this yours?
Don't look open. I just ate that whole burger and it was so good, like literally. You wouldn't know it's not beef. If anything, you would probably think like maybe it was cooked just like 1 minute too long because it's a teeny bit dry. But I kind of like my burgers like dry and well done and overcooked, so it don't bother me.
Yeah.
That was real good. And I'm still eating salad. Huh? I promise the kids I'll take them to get ice cream later. I want to try, thank you. I want to try that restaurant named Breadless. All right, they were good. All right, so I'm full, like full. This is all I have left. And still some of my drink. But if you enjoyed this mukbang, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on TikTok, Kamsylvana, add me on Facebook, Kamsylvana, follow me on Instagram, Kamsylvana. And I had a burp. I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.